Guys, welcome back once again. I hope you like lesson 1, 2 and 3. So this video is regarding drawing class 3. My last two videos which was on how to hold a pencil in straight line, and also the second video was about curve and circle line, how to draw these. And in this video I am going to, by the way guys, if you haven't checked it and you are first time in my channel or in this video of the series, so guys you can go and check lesson 1, 2 and 3, which is here reflecting in the iCard in the corner of the screen, and then it will be helpful to understand what is going on here. It's a continuation video, but anyway, if you want to learn how to draw objects using circle and straight line, this is the right video. It's fine, you can finish this video, then you can go back. This is the third video of my kids series, remember. So another two video which is already I have posted, you can go and check it out guys. Thank you so much. And guys, अगर आपको पसंद है, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए, और नोटिफिकेशन बेल पे एक बार दबा दीजिए. आपका कुछ नहीं जाएगा, एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है, और ये पूरा लेसन फ्री है. डू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू, बाय.